Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We are given f of x multiplied by x plus f of x plus 2 equals x squared. And we're interested to find f of 8. How can we solve this? So x here is a member of real number, but we only have the positive real number here. And not only positive real number, so we have the positive even numbers. If we start plugging the negative, we get nothing. And if we start plugging the rational number or the irrational number, we get nothing from here. But before that, we are given x squared. Suppose I guess f of x to be equals a linear function. Let's say we have ax plus b. So if this is for f of x, we need to get f of x plus 2. So changing this one to f of x plus 2, we have f of x plus 2 equals a into bracket of x plus 2 plus b. Now let's bring this together. For x bracket f of x, that is ax plus b. Then plus f of x plus 2, that is a bracket x plus 2 plus b equals x squared. If these two sides are able to be equal, then we conclude that the function is linear. Before the conclusion, let's open this. X multiplied by ax, that gives us ax squared, plus x multiplied by b gives bx, plus a multiplied by x gives ax, plus a multiplied by 2, that is 2a. Then plus b equals x squared. So next is we have to compare, but before comparing, we have only this as ax squared plus, we have bx plus ax, that is a plus b multiplied by x, then plus 2a plus b equals x squared. So by comparing these coefficients, for ax squared, this equals x squared. And this implies that our a here equals 1. While for a plus b bracket x equals 0 multiplied by x, by comparing the coefficient as well, we have a plus b equals 0. But since a equals to 1, we are going to have 1 plus b equals 0. And this implies that b equals minus 1. We've gotten a, we've gotten b. But what of this? If 2a plus b are able to be equals 0, then we conclude that the function is linear. Let's substitute. For 2a plus b, so this will be equals 2 bracket 1 minus b, and the b is minus 1. So 2 times 1, this equals 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So this is not equals to 0. This shows that the function is not linear. What if we try a quadratic? What if we try a quadratic? Since what we have here is x squared, if I have f of x to be equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Again, we try others, which is for f of x plus 2, that is a bracket x plus 2 squared plus b bracket x plus 2, then plus c. If I expand this out, we are going to have a into bracket of x squared plus 4x plus 4, then plus bx plus 2b plus c. Again, we have ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a plus bx plus 2b plus c. And if I bring it together with f of x multiplied by x plus f of x plus 2 equals x squared, we are going to have x bracket ax squared plus bx plus c, then plus ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a, and we have plus bx plus 2b plus c equals x squared. Opening this parenthesis, we have x multiplied by ax squared, that is ax cubed plus bx squared plus c, and we also have the whole of this, which is plus ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a plus bx plus 2b plus c equals x squared. By bringing this together, ax squared stands alone, ax cubed stands alone, plus we have b plus a with x squared plus also those with x. We have 4a plus b and all multiplied by x, plus again we have 4a plus 2b plus 2c. We have 4a plus 2b plus 2c, and everything equals x squared. If we try to compare all this, we see that for every a, this equals to 0, and for every b plus a, this equals 1. And also we have 4a plus b also equals to 0. They are going to justify with this. If a equals to 0, definitely we have b equals 1. And for this, we have 4 into bracket of 0 plus 1. So this equals to 0. But 1 here is not equals to 0. We have nothing to gain here as well. Therefore, the function is not quadratic. We have tried different functions, linear and the quadratic, and none of them give us the answer that we need. Therefore, what if I try a telescoping method? Suppose I let x equals to 6. Then we have 6 f of 6 plus f of 8 equals 6 squared. If x equals to 4, we have 4 f of 4 plus f of 6 equals 4 squared. Also, if x equals to 2, we have 2 f of 2 plus f of 4 equals 2 squared. Let's say x equals to 0. Then we have 0 f of 0 plus f of 2 equals 0 squared. But with this last one, we are going to have f of 2 equals to 0. If I substitute this one here, this shows that f of 4 will be equals 4. So if f of 4 equals to 4, let's substitute it into this, and we are going to have 4 into bracket of 4 plus f of 6 equals 4 squared. So this shows that f of 6 also equals to 0. And taking it back to the above, which is 6 f of 6, since f of 6 is 0, we are going to have f of 8 as 36. This is the best way to solve this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.